Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install ink or replace ink HP 2630. It's the same rule for any HP printer or any HP scanner, so it's easy. First thing to do, just take this tray off and then replace ink automatically come on middle. Yeah, as you can see, there's only one ink, black, and always black ink on your right hand side, and then color ink on your left hand side. So this is the new ink, color one. I'm gonna replace this. So first thing to do, take this one off and don't touch in pin, golden color pins, and then replace this inks. See, the right one goes on top, and see, and then press it. Yeah, all done. And then close it. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, thank you very much.